Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid, and in our videos we are going to learn about different sentences, phrases, vocabulary and many more about Chinese language. हम इन वीडियोस में चीनी ज़बान सीखेंगे, उर्दू में भी, इंग्लिश में भी. So stay tuned, keep learning and keep improving your Chinese language. Today we are going to learn how to say get off me. So how we are going to say it? How we are going to say get off me in Chinese language? So get off me means if you want someone to stay away from you or they shouldn't touch you, so it means get off me. So how we are going to say it in Chinese language? It is fang kai. Fang kai. Fang kai means get off me. Fang kai means get off me. Subscribe and follow us on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. See you in the next interesting video. 再见, Allah Hafiz.